Hi, good morning. Warm welcome to your decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. And first of all, congratulations on making the 180th episode happen. Yes, today is the 180th episode of the decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. And it informs us that it is 90 weeks since we've been doing them. So, congratulations, we are about to touch 2 years in more weeks. So that's the first news for today. And today the topic of discussion that I'm bringing in is how FMCG market has expanded by 10% in January. So FMCG is the fast moving consumer goods, and this market has expanded by 10% in January. And this is the discussion that we are going to have today. And before we begin the discussion, a quick disclaimer that I am not paid by Economic Times to do this. I am doing this out of my free will because this is one of my habits. Daily reading is one of my habits as a wealth creator. And out of my daily habit, I am bringing some habits to you. Example, one of this is the decoding of the news. Hi Nishtha, good morning. Yes, Garima, 180th. Congratulations to you too and good morning. Hi Nishtha, yes, congratulations to you too and good morning. So let's begin. So consumption of daily essentials and groceries have picked up. Okay. So India's fast moving consumer goods market expanded by 10% in January. From the 2021 data which was showed by BISOM, this is indicating that the third COVID wave buoyed consumption for daily essentials and groceries. So the consumption of daily essentials and groceries is not hit. It has further improved despite the COVID situation that happened, the third wave that happened. So even in discretionary products like television, refrigerators and smartphones, leading companies said that they have grown their sales at a double-digit percentage in January despite the initial hiccups. So the products and their demand has been going up, at least of the FMCG products. Company executives said that despite restrictions on the store timings and mobility in certain markets, the impact on business has been the least in the third Omicron wave, unlike the previous two. So the third wave has not affected the market, the demand so much, and demand has been high. And these are all the items which are being talked about: daily essentials, groceries, refrigerators, smartphones, televisions. The demand has been up. January is traditionally a lean period for food products, and it comes soon after the festive season. With higher cases and subsequent mobility restrictions, consumers stocked up on packaged foods for at-home consumption that helped sales compared to a year ago. So, this talks about, the stocking up, the hoarding talks about why the sales increased despite January being considered as a lean month. And this is being said by Krishna Rao Buddha, who is senior category head at Parle Products. And we all know Parle is one of India's biggest food company, Biscuit King. He, however, said growth tapered off slightly compared to December, when the market was completely open. According to BISOM, the company which is giving all this data, the commodity packaged foods grew 43% and 38% each, while sales of home and personal care products fell. So BISOM, a sales automation firm that transacts with 7.5 million retail stores, tracks orders by Kirana stores. So look at what BISOM does, which is giving us all this data. Sales automation firm, and it transacts with 75 lakh retail stores, and it tracks their orders by the Kirana stores. So it's saying, Akshay D'Souza, who's Chief of Growth and Insights at Mobizy Technologies, he's saying we are seeing significantly lower impact, even on a month-on-month sales basis compared to earlier waves. Commodity products continue to grow sales despite an easing of prices for key products like edible oils, indicating strong consumption. So, well, this is the news around FMCG, the sales going up, the growth going up, demand heightening despite the COVID situation. So, what is it informing you about the economy from the FMCG point of view? What do you think? Start typing. What are you getting about the economy from this aspect of the news? Hi Namita, Archana, Kaveri, good morning. So start typing, guys. What are you getting? What are you understanding? And everybody who's not acknowledged that they are here, you're here, please begin doing that. Start writing one-liners on what you're getting. Okay, Namita is saying what she's getting is that recovery is on its way. Bingo. Yes, seems like that when we look at the FMCG news. And also ITC, the biggest cigarette company in our country, it reported its financial statements, financial performance yesterday, and ITC is also showing that its profits have gone up, right? Revenue has gone up, so it seems that the recovery is on its way. Garima, steady and growing, so nothing to panic. Yeah, got that. Kaveri saying consumers aren't as scared of this Omicron wave and their buying and business isn't affected. Yes, Kaveri, bang on. Love that. Yeah, doesn't seem like there's a lot of fear in the market now. Demand is coming in. Hi, Ishita. Nima is saying things are getting normal. Yes, Nima. Bouncing back, getting back to normal, coming back. Hey, Pratibha, good morning. Yeah, Mukta, good morning. The economy is going to show good growth in the coming years. Okay, let's see what the future holds. Well, no one can predict the future. Let's see what it holds. But yes, this is it for today's decoding of the Economic Times newspaper. I now see you on Tuesday for the decoding of the ET Wealth newspaper. Till then, keep reading. Okay, keep building the habit of a successful entrepreneur, of a successful investor, so that you can really make a difference to your investments. Kaveri is saying before I close, everyone's realizing that we just have to learn to live alongside COVID. So life goes on. Yes. Archana is saying looks like FMCG is a sector which is least impacted by the third wave. Seems like to me too, Archana. Yeah, it seems like one of the sectors which is least impacted. And even earlier, it was one of the sectors which was least impacted in the first and the second wave. But yeah, the third wave doesn't seem to have affected so much. Nima is saying people have increased smoking. Yes. If ITC sales have gone up, cigarette sales have gone up, Nima, then people are definitely smoking more. Nidhi, economy will adjust along the pace of time. Yes. Let's keep our fingers crossed for that. On this note, everybody, closing the live. Thank you so much for participating. And if you are taking the benefits of being live with us, make sure you talk with your friends and family about Women on Wealth and its programs. Who knows who wants to become financially educated and alter her money life? Julie, you guessed FMCG was never impacted. Got that. Tanvi, ITC has other food products. Absolutely. Its sales were up throughout the pandemic period, seems like. Kaveri, alarming, but ITC has a diversified lot, but major money still comes from tobacco. Absolutely. So take charge, everybody. Stay safe and keep coming. Loads of love. Keep working on your money life.